Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Nissan Altima. Before you begin, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You will need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 5 quarts of the correct new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use sturdy jack stands when your vehicle is lifted. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, it is time to drain the old engine oil. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 14mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old, dirty oil to drain completely into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it is time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, which is typically located near the front of the engine. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter securely. Then, pour about 4.5 quarts of the recommended new engine oil into the engine's fill cap. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds. This allows the new oil to circulate. Turn off the engine and check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Finally, verify the oil level on your dipstick, ensuring it is between the minimum and maximum marks. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.